Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about converting from ACCA to CPA Canada. ACCA stands for the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, and it's a UK qualification. And CPA Canada is the Chartered Professional Accountants of Canada. So these two bodies, they have a mutual recognition agreement which they negotiated, which enables ACCA members to convert to CPA, provided they meet certain requirements. The biggest requirement being you need to be a member in good standing, which means you should not have any cases against you, any ethical violations, any bad thing tarnishing your reputation with ACCA for you to be admitted into CPA Canada. So this mutual recognition agreement, it was negotiated a while back, and it's set to expire in April of this year, April 2021, April 30. So if you haven't applied and you want to take advantage of this current MRA, you need to apply before April 30 so that you get in. They are still in the process of negotiating a new MRA. It's not that this will pass away completely. They're negotiating a new one, and details of the new MRA and its negotiations can be found on the CPA Canada website. I'll post the link for that website. So you need to be a member in good standing of ACCA UK, and I'm talking about being a member, not an affiliate. An ACCA affiliate is somebody who has completed all the exams, the F level, the final level, professional level. That's an affiliate. A member is one who not only has completed the exams, but has also completed the practical experience requirement and has paid for admission to membership. So you need to be a member, not an affiliate, okay? So member in good standing, check, right? So if you are, then you'll be entitled to use the designation CPA CGA in Canada. Now, let's get to the documentation that is required. First of all, we have already spoken about this, the letter in good standing. And I'm sure a lot of ACCA members and affiliates, you're already familiar with this document. It comes directly from ACCA and it goes to CPA Ontario. Now, when you log into the CPA website, like I'm in Ontario, so I'm a member of CPA Ontario. So you need a letter of good standing, which comes directly from ACCA to CPA. So once you apply to CPA, they'll give you an application number, an application number, and you give that to ACCA. You let them know that they need to send the documents there, and they should use this reference number. So it goes directly. So that's the first thing. The second thing, I'm sure you're all familiar with World Educational Services by now. So for most of us who would have immigrated to Canada already, we would have done an assessment of our qualifications with World Educational Services. So what you need to do is to go to them again and ask them to do a credential evaluation, but this time it's for CPA. So you have to pay about 100 Canadian dollars for this assessment to CPA. So Wes will again send the results directly to CPA. 3, you need to provide a detailed resume listing all your work experience and educational history in chronological order, right? And 4, you need to complete the overview of Canadian tax and law online course. This is a course that is found on the CPA store, and this cost, the cost of this course is 655 Canadian dollars. If you're within Canada, there will be some tax added to that. If you're outside of Canada, you just pay that fee. So you need to register and complete the course online. It can take you a few hours to a day. It depends on how fast you are. The course is generally talking about the tax system in Canada, law, and all of that. It's just to familiarize you with the tax and law in Canada, basically. And if you're an ACCA member, this will be helpful for you because you can actually use this course as verifiable CPD in your next CPD declaration. So I know it's expensive, but you can still use the course to your advantage when you're declaring your CPD. So you also need 2 referee recommendations, and these recommendations should come from 2 members of CPA who are in good standing. I was fortunate enough to have a former colleague and a friend who who I've known for quite some time. They were my referees for my application. Okay, so once you're done with all of that, there are some charges that come with becoming a member. And I have to say it's really costly. So there is a breakdown, and I will give you the link for that. But in total, you will be paying up to $1,672.40. Yeah, it's a lot. The price you pay to be a professional accountant in Canada, unfortunately. So you would just have to go through this process, and I wish you all the best. I'll put down a list of all the links you can go to for this information. It's all available on the internet, on the ACCA website, on the CPA website, but I will put the link in the video description. So I wish you all the best in your quest to convert from ACCA to CPA. I do have a couple of friends who did convert to CPA before they even moved to Canada. They were in the process of already applying for their PR. So you can do that before you come here or after. The advantage of doing it before you move to Canada is that you won't have to pay the tax associated with the fees. Whereas when you're in Canada, you have to pay tax. So that's a decision you need to make. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.